Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can join the Nightingale faction in Skyrim, so let's get right into it. But before I actually start, let me apologize for using screenshots. This is the only way I can record these tutorials, since gameplay footage requires a lot of space and time to upload. So without further ado, let me start what I was going to tell you. Joining the Nightingale faction, you cannot join it separately. You need to join it through the main quest of the Thieves Guild, and you do that after a certain amount of time. When you actually meet up with Carlia, when Mercer betrays you in the main quest line, you will be given or rather you, Carlia, and Brynjolf will go to the Sepulchre of Nocturne, the Twilight Sepulchre, and there you will officially join the Nightingales. And to actually join the Thieves Guild, if you didn't know previously, you need to go to Riften. Once you pass the guards trying to shake you down on the gates, you will arrive in Riften, and you need to go to the market, which is this big roundabout sort of section near the well, where you will find Brynjolf. And once you find him, he will talk to you, or you can talk to him, and you will be given the option to do a sort of sneaky little job for him to plant a ring on I think the Dark Elves Talon Jays to plant a silver ring on Talon Jay, and after you do that, he'll tell you to go to the Riften Sewers, where you will be able to join the Thieves Guild in the Ragged Flagon. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another tutorial.